this video I'm going to show you how to retrieve a historical stock price of the company. So for that I will use a stock history function. I will add here ticker as a stock, so MSFT for Microsoft. Start date can be, let's say, 1st January 2010. And end date can be today, so for that we have function today. An interval, I want it daily, and we also want to see what's the ticker and the headers. So do. And now Excel retrieved all those stock prices since January 2010. If I go down, press Ctrl down, it's up to 15 September 2021. So in previous video I made some quick summary, so I will combine it now with the price. So let's find the minimum, maximum and average price per each year. So let's start with the minimum. So first thing I need to know for which year it is. So I will add here a year function. Just copy this down. Go back to summary and use minifs function. We'll consider a range in column C. Criteria we have in column A, so the year. And criteria which I need is in line 2. So I will make 2 as an absolute value, so it's not changing. Press enter and we have minimum for the stock price in 2021, 2020 and so on. Now I will do the same thing for max. So max ifs. Max range, we know that it's stock price. Criteria range is a year. And here is our criteria. I can again just copy this formula and we'll do the same for average. There is a average ifs function. We can also use average if, doesn't matter. So average range is in column C, criteria range is column A, and criteria we are considering it's in row 2. And now we have a nice view of the prices and financial statements in one summary tab. So what I can add here is price to earning ratio. What was the minimum, maximum, average price? And we will always consider earnings per share. So minimum price divided by earnings per share. And we had 26.34 rounded in 2021. I can copy it again so we can see historical price to earning ratio for a minimal price. We can do the same for maximal price, so it's a price divided by earnings per share. We can copy again and same for average. I will just copy the format so it all looks the same. And we can see what was the historical price to earnings ratio for Microsoft company. I can add here today price. So I will add today function. But as in stock history we will not have it, so I will add -1 to see the yesterday price, and I will use SUMIF function. Look in this range for the date that I just created in A30, and sum range will be the stock price. So today price is 304.82, So based on that we can calculate PE, today price earning, and we can consider today price divided by latest earnings per share. We can see that it's 37.86, and we can see that it's comparing to previous years, it's almost highest. So if I do here some simple comparison, let's say to average, we can see that this ratio is higher than it was in all 5 years. So based on that we can see that the price is not so attractive at the moment. I hope you like this video and you know how to use stock history function now, and it can help you build your own spreadsheet for checking your investments. And good luck, guys.